What's going on, everybody? We have a convex security mirror. Yes, we have reviewed one before. These are good for warehouses. They're good for security around the yard. Some people hang this, they might have a big yard, so they might hang it on a tree or something. But we use it in the garage because our kids that's driving, we have our nieces, nephews that's driving, and sometimes they pull into the garage. This one we're gonna put for if you parking forward. We have one if you parking backwards, you can see if you're behind enough to shut your garage door. This one we're gonna use so we don't run into our cabinets. All right, you guys, so here we go. We have our 16-inch acrylic Convex mirror, very durable. We got our hardware that came with it. We have our paperwork for instructions. We have a card, and then we have the mirror. The cool thing about this mirror, it has this umbrella right here, so if it's out in the rain, it can just drip down on here and then go to the sides. Protective film on here. Then you have the back with the swivel. So let's go ahead and hook it up. So what we're going to do is have it right here in the front. So you have anchors right here, wood screws. What I'm going to do is put the mirror on first. So what I did was take one washer, left it on this side, take your other washer, put it on the opposite side, tighten it up, and then you want to be vertical so you can go up and down with your mirror. All right, so we can go up here, and remember you can swivel right and left, up and down, but I just want it at a good height, that way it's good. When the driver looks at it, then we're good. I'm going to put it here, make sure it's vertical. It can go up and down vertically. Easy, not hard at all. You can aim it down. Look at the tilt. Tilt is insane, right? And then you can just aim it to y'all. I can see y'all. I can see the camera. Take the plastic film off. Wow, very nice. You know, when your kids pull forward, sometimes they might be dazed out, and tell them to look at the mirror. That's how you do it. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I can show y'all me pulling in. All right, you guys, I'm pulling in right now, and there, I can see it. I need to pull the mirror just a tad bit to the left. Tad bit to the left. But I can see. All right, I'm gonna leave it just like that. Oh yeah, that's better. That's better. I could actually pull it some more over. But you guys, I can actually see me going. I'm still going. Look at that. Like I'm going. I can stop right there. That's how I know I'm not too close. You guys, I'm having fun. I can see from my back mirror too. The other Convex mirror. So this is pretty cool, you guys. Keep your garage safe. All right, so I'm actually in the car, but if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review. Vertical, so you can go up and down with your mirror. So, oh my goodness. Oh my God. All of my tools fell. Oh, why did all of my tools fall, bro? Let's get back to the review, you guys.